Are we recording everywhere? But what if I could fill them with foam myself?
Okay, let's go again.
All right, so my wheel went flat, right? And it's 70 bucks to buy the foam-filled ones. Now I went ahead and bought the foam-filled ones, but what if I could have saved 70 bucks by filling them with foam myself? First thing we gotta do is we gotta take the tube out because we don't need the tube. See how hard it is, and then we're gonna go from there. Sorry that the frame is, hey, you can see up my nose. I'm gonna run to Home Depot or Lowe's and see if I can't find some foam to fill these with. But we're gonna figure this out. We're gonna see if we can save 70 bucks, and if we can, you know, we'll have two good wheels that we could use on my cart, or I could return the foam filled wheels and get my 70 bucks back. So let's see what we can do. So I got some tools here, pliers, you know, stuff. Pliers maybe? How about screwdrivers? If I could get the lip of this thing over. A bunch of tire people are probably laughing at me. That's not how you get a tire off. You know what? I'm not a tire person. I take my tires to Chilingo. Chilingo's is great. Oh God, just want it off. I need a flat head. I don't have a flat head. I hear some birds tweeting or something. It's squealing at me. Okay. Oh. That feels good. It would be worth your time to just buy the foam filler. I'm certain I can fill it with foam myself. Okay. Oh, damn it. Question is, how am I gonna get this back on there? Stick it in there. I don't know why I'm filming this. This is dumb. About stabbed myself with a screwdriver. This is proving to be a lot more difficult than I thought it would be. This was a really dumb idea. How do I do this? It's impossible.
3 hours later.
I wonder if I could just pump it with foam and call it good. Oh, this is the part where I pretend that I knew that this is how you do it the whole time.
Marker. And action.
Oh yeah, and just coming right out. Oh yeah. Should have done this to start with. Okay. All right, don't need this tube no more. There we go. All right. That's not gonna come out of the carpet.
Let's see that in an instant replay.
Huh? Okay, let's go again. All right, we're losing our light. Wipe it off and let's go again.
Let me grab some cleaning supplies. What even is that? Ugh, that is so nasty. My landlord's gonna hate me. I hope this doesn't stink up the entire apartment. Ew, I don't like messes. I don't wanna hear it, okay? I wanna hear it in the comments. Don't even say it. I know what you're thinking about typing. Don't go there. We should have done this outside. Nice and clean. Disinfected. I don't know what that stuff was. Don't care. Not on my table anymore. This is my desk, okay? I'm trying to keep it clean. So we have the thing. Now we just have to fill it with foam. So let's go to Lowe's and we're gonna grab some foam and it should be good, all right? Back from the store, this is what I found. I don't know if it's gonna be what we need because this is meant to be applied in 60 to 90 degree Fahrenheit weather. It has a cure for 8 hours. I got the one that's supposed to stay soft. I don't know if I should have got the hard one. Also, this needs to be well ventilated. And since we're sticking it inside this, it's not gonna be well ventilated. So I don't know if it'll ever cure out, but we're gonna try it. Oh, I was supposed to shake it. Minimum of 60 seconds. So this is gonna be about half a gigabyte of video footage that is completely unuseful, not to be used for filling closed cavities. Well, that's exactly what we're doing. Not for use for what we're using it for. So if this goes poorly, it's not the foam's fault. I've got a plan. I'm gonna just stick it in this hole here and just go around. So I'm gonna stick this back in the back outer rim of the tire and try and make my way around. I can always come in to the inner rim and fill in more later, because if this expands as much as I think it's going to. You know, I really didn't pay attention to where I started. Oh God, it's hard to tell how full this tire is. I'm pretty sure we're 50% full. More foam, in my opinion. I was really trying not to get any of this foam on my desk. I say that, and yet I'm doing this experiment on my desk. Oh, hey, that felt like actual pressurization there for a second before I accidentally popped it. Wow, that's actually working. That's probably enough foam then. More foam, in my opinion, because it is now seeping out of the hole from whence I shoved it. There may be more foam on one side versus the other, which is going to cause the balance of the tire to be off. I don't think that's going to be a problem. If you wanted foam-filled car tires, that's kind of putting your life on the line, so I'd go buy a good brand. Look at that, it's just seeping out of there like one of them worms from, you know, one of those worms from, So I'm hoping what we can do is maybe cut this foam off. Oops. I think I'm gonna try and plug this hole here so that it'll pressurize and push inside this container. If I had a bolt that was the size of this hole, I could just screw the bolt in. You know, it wouldn't have to be long. Now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get all this foam off my desk. Yeah, I'm gonna require some goo gun. Do not use this foam inside. The good news is the foam is expanding. The bad news is the foam is expanding out of the tire. Another suggestion, do this operation with a trash can nearby. Just kind of, oh gosh, extra, woo. If this was for a fashion statement, function over form. That's what I'm trying to say. I don't have high hopes for this experiment, but we got 8 hours to cure. We'll see how it performs after 8 hours. See you later. I got my microphone on today. This is the next day. I left it for 24 hours. I was busy. Obviously, it's kept leaking for a while after I left yesterday. The backside's not terrible. Could be better, I guess. Is it functional? Obviously, it's not pretty. Trying to make tires for the Tesla truck here. Does it roll? You know, it really doesn't feel like it's very full. I don't know if the foam inside has cured, but the foam outside is still pretty soft. This was a silly idea to begin with, and I don't know enough about foam and plastics. It's not gonna deflate. Squeeze it, it fills back up again. That part of it is working, but unfortunately there's not enough pressure with this foam. Maybe I didn't get enough in there, maybe too much leaked out, maybe I didn't use the right type of foam. There was a harder foam that I could have bought. This one says stay soft. Maybe that's not what I wanted. Maybe I wanted the harder foam. The idea is there. Obviously they already have foam tires. I'm just trying to find a way that it costs less than 70 bucks to buy one. I'm not gonna do it on the second tire because I deem this as a myth busted. At least I have popcorn. Yeah. All right, failed video. Make fun of me in the comments. I get it. You knew it was stupid all along, didn't you? Damn it. You're a disappointment to me. And now you're a piece of trash. All right, I'm done with this video. Failed experiment. I'm terrible at experimentizing. Never be like Linus. You have to have an actual experiment that works. Maybe I could do whole room water cooling. That seems easy. Oh, wow, wow, wow.